This is a 2012 Land Rover LR2. This SUV has an automatic transmission and a 3.2-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, 9 strategically placed speakers, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: big 18-inch wheels, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a rear spoiler, a security system, headlight cleaners, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Premier Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2120 Highway 45 North in Columbus.